Okay, so yesterday for math, I introduced recording fractions on a number line. I think it seems pretty simple so far. Today, we are actually going to apply some of those skills and do some problems. The first thing I want to go over is yesterday at the bottom of page 578. Whoops, right here. There was a question, and it said, Jenna and Benito each marked 1/4 on a number line. The length of the segment from 0 to 1/4 on Jenna's number line is shorter than on Benito's. Did someone make a mistake? Explain your thinking. Well, those that submitted it, I could see you got it right. The answer is no. It does not matter how long or short your number line is. The point in all of it is that you know that the denominator represents the equal parts that your number line is going to be divided into, and that you have marked the number line appropriately. I have a cute video to kind of show as a review for the number line. We're going to go over a couple things, and then I'm going to show you what you are going to practice today.
My friend if she could help me find where to write 1/2 on the number line. She said,
first draw a line with 2 arrows.
Then she sang a song. Here's how it goes. 0 to 1 is the whole that we split apart. The denominator tells us into how many parts. Make a line that starts from 0 to the first mark. And 1/2 is what you'll find when you get that far. My stuffed animal can't talk, but I thought I heard.
Hey Ben, on the number line, where's 1/3?
I said first draw a line with 2 arrows. And hey, I know a cool tune. Here's how it goes. 0 to 1 is the whole that we split apart. The denominator tells us into how many parts. Make a line that starts from 0 to the first mark. And 1/3 is what you'll find when you get that far. Then I texted my friend, what's to be done when the numerator isn't 1? She said,
let's try to find 5/9 on the number line in like no time. Simply partition 9 parts from 0 to 1. Starting from 0, count 5, and at 5 9ths we arrive.
Ooh, 0 to 1 is the whole that we split apart. The denominator tells us into how many parts. Make a line that starts from 0 to the 5th mark. And 5 9ths is what you'll find when you get that far.
Let's use the number line to describe this pie. First count the total pieces, there are 5. 5's the denominator, all the parts. So 5 goes underneath the fraction bar. This number line goes from 0 to 2, but the fraction's less than 1, so here's what to do. Make 5 equal spaces from 0 to 1. Now the final step before we're done. The numerator is the one piece that's mine. After the first space, I'll have 1/5 of the line. Just remember this one tip in your minds. Always count the spaces, never the lines.
Ooh, 0 to 1 is the whole that we split apart. The denominator tells us into how many parts. Make a line that starts from 0 to the first mark. And 1/5 is what you'll find when you get that far.
When you get that far, yeah. When you get that far, yeah.
Okay, I thought that was super cute. And so to review that, remember, you are not counting those lines, you are counting the spaces. We are not anytime soon going to get into needing more than 0 to 1 on the number line. So that last part of that video, it's great to keep in the back of your mind, but kind of ignore it for now. So hopefully on my screen, you can just see a quick review. A number line shows numbers in order using a scale. So we have 0 to 1. If we look at number 2, it shows that, or it is saying show 2/3 on the number line. Label 0 and 1 on the line. Divide the segment from 0 to 1 into how many equal parts. Well, remember, we have to look at the denominator. So the denominator is telling us that we are going to divide it into 3. Ooh, that's really bad, guys. Hopefully you can see it. 3 equal parts. Be sure to include a dot where 2/3 is on the line. I'm going to do my best to draw this. Mouse is a little touchy, but I have 0 and 1 right here. Based on the denominator, I know that I need 3 equal parts, and then I need to mark 2/3. Well, here's 1, 2. So 2/3 is going to be right here. So each part of the number line is 1/3 of the whole. It's divided into thirds. Think back to that unit fraction. Okay, so I want us to work on page 579 today. I want you to complete questions 1 through 8. It should probably only take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so for number 1, it is saying that you are going to divide the number line into the given number of equal parts. Then mark and label the given fraction on the number line. So right now, they're already telling you how many equal parts your number line should be divided into. Number 1 says 2 equal parts, 1/2. 2 is the denominator. We know it's going to be divided into 2 equal parts. So you would draw your line down the middle. I've got 1, 2. Now I'm going to mark 1/2. Remember, you're counting the gaps. Well, here's 1 gap. So this is where 1/2 is. Let's look at number 2. 4 equal parts, 2/4. So how many equal parts is my number line going to be divided into? Well, my denominator says 4, so it's going to be divided into fourths. Each segment is going to be 1/4 of the whole. So have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, is that perfect? No. Try to get it as evenly spaced out as you can. Okay. Now I need to mark 2/4. Well, here's my first segment. Here's my second segment. So 2/4 is right here. When you are marking these, I would prefer that you write the fraction under that line. It's really hard for me to do that on the computer, or you can circle it. If you have any questions, reach out. I look forward to seeing how well I know you guys can do on this.